How to fix Xbox app error 0x87e00191 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Incorrect region settings can sometimes restrict access to certain game downloads, which may trigger this error. Select region and ensure your region matches the region associated with your Microsoft account. If that didn't work, clearing the Microsoft Store cache can resolve issues if corrupt data is interfering with downloads in the Xbox app. Wait till a black window shows up, do not close it. Once it's gone, Microsoft Store should restart. Try using the store again. If that didn't work, repairing or resetting the Xbox app and other related components can resolve problems caused by corrupt or misconfigured app data. Repeat this process with the Xbox app and gaming services. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, type PowerShell in Windows search. Right-click on the result and select Run as Administrator. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.